Hey everyone, today we're working on our EVO 10. We're upgrading to 27mm Whiteline rear sway bar with their upgraded end length. This is going to help us stiffen the rear of the chassis for less roll. Great for cornering, for autocross and track days. So we're going to pull out the factory one and compare the different sizes. Some of you already probably know the different thicknesses, but it's fun to compare. And then we have Robert getting ready to do the install while I watch. That's the best part. Factory end links and the Whiteline end links, the heavy duty ones. They're adjustable, a lot beefier. This one's shot, boots all busted up. 5 years old, so it's a matter of time to upgrade. Finished the install on the sway bar and the end links. We set the adjustment to medium, which is the center hole on the sway bar. It's a 27mm sway bar, 4mm larger than the factory one. So this should improve handling, less roll. We'll adjust the firmness if my brother needs it. For now, the center will be fine. So, looking forward to taking this out tomorrow for track days and see how it performs.